Minista Munene Musalia Mudavadi Easya Kana Utee na Makau Meukusiiwa Masukuluni Muisyo Munene wa Amanyiw'A wa Useseei Indi wa Mesilya Yukanitye na Utumii wa Mitandao Kuvinduanywa Mesilya kana psychological manipulation na Indi Utumii wa AI. Aini naomba ni wakatano wa ndisi onde wa kumandanziasi ya Useseei Manyiwa Masukuluni Masiianwe Mudavadi waweta kanave na Muisyo Munene wa Utumii wa Mitandao katikati wa Manyiwa kendo kilaki usukumia amwemo makilia na kulia kunena Kuvinduanywa kala Meukusiiwa mondo maito osia kimanzi na mauvo
ainena nzini wa umbano wakatano yulwa uzubi kwa mazikulu umbano ulawati wa musini wa ilovi munene wa Minista Musalia Mudavadi na wetakana mazikulu medhito maanangwa ondo mwena masomo wa Manyiwa aingi kutambaika kumana na ziko zia uvungulu wa mugo taka wake mbaye miatiani wakati wa mondo angi ayendekithia umbano wete uzungio yulwa madhina ala medhito mailwa uzubi kwa Amanyiw'A.
Violent conflicts continue to leave children bearing the deepest scars, with their learning institutions destroyed or turned into targets of insecurity. By the end of 2024, an estimated 48.8 million children had been displaced by violent conflicts and disasters, including 19.1 million alone in Africa, which is more than half of the global total. In our own neighborhood of the Horn of Africa, Sudan now faces the largest child displacement crisis in the world, with over 6.5 million children uprooted after 2 years of relentless violence. According to Save the Children, since the outbreak of war in 2023, a child has been forced to flee every 10 seconds. This situation risks leaving an entire generation out of school indefinitely.
Avindani kau Mudavadi niongera na ukule muvi wa kisomo ondo mwana dhao kimazi nema kuelewa muno maundu ma mitandao ya kiumunzi kati wa mondo alangi alama tonya kwete madhina zinu wa kisomo cha Manyiwa kwa unene.
Now there's a new threat, the cyber threat, the psychological warfare that is now beginning to take a different form, which can lead to a lot of scars. It can lead to a lot of suicide. It can lead to a lot of depression. As you deliberate, let's not just focus on the element of armed conflict. Let us realize that technology has now come with its challenges. This conference must therefore be a turning point. While the last decade built a strong framework, the next must deliver measurable impact.
Nage Minista wa kisomo Julius Yongamba ainenea umbanoni ni wazekana jelelo kinene cha umbano ni kwete uzunge ilo zobeku wa kisomo cha Manyiwa Masukuluni.
Safe Schools Declaration, now marking a decade since its inception, has emerged as a beacon of hope for millions of learners worldwide. The theme of this year's conference, Safe Education for All, a decade of commitment, a call to action, reminds us that while much has been achieved in advocacy, policy adoption, and global consensus, the true measure of success lies in meaningful implementation. A commitment is only powerful if it translates into protection, and action is only meaningful if it safeguards the future of our children.
Ngiri vote ya vilingwa mwovo Mutongoi TV, Ozea Kimanzi.